Hello everyone. Today we will see how to schedule an event through Google Calendar and then to get a link for video conferencing, that is a Google Meet link, and share with others. For this purpose, you will have to go to the to the Play Store and then install the Google Calendar in your mobile. For the same in your laptop, you can go to the 9 dots in the Google Chrome, and then you can move on to calendar and do the same activity there. Google Calendar on my mobile, so I will click upon this, and now when I click upon this, I will get the Google Calendar where I have options for today's date, that is Sunday 4th October, that is to schedule any event over here, and then I can just share its link with anyone. So right now I want to just schedule an event for one of my classes, that is 10th E, and that too by the name 10E only. So what I will do is I will move on to the date that I want. I will move on this drop down triangle written besides October, and then I will click upon 5 and I will move on to the next date, now October Monday. Now I have to schedule an event at 9 o'clock for 10th E class. Therefore, I will select this event just by pressing over there, and it has been selected. It's written add title tomorrow 9 to 10. So I can select it from here and I can add title and I can add more things to it, what all I require in this case. The second option is, I'll just cross this one. Second option is to just go on the sign, the plus sign, and just press upon it and you move on to event. And when you go on event, you will have this event. You have to decide on which mail ID or on your phone, that is your Android, you want the event to be scheduled. Here I have selected one of my IDs. You can select other ID if you want by clicking on events. Then on add title, I will add title. Since I want to write 10E, so I will just write 10E. You can write the any other title that you want. Then it says all day. No, it's not for all day, it's only for tomorrow, and the date they are saying is 6th October 2020. So I'll just press upon this date and this calendar will open. I will press upon 5 and then mark it as OK. So it is 5th October 2020. Now I will press upon the timings that are written, and with the keyboard on the left hand side I can write the timing over here. In the morning I am saying it is at 9 hours. So it is 9 to 10, automatically it has taken 1 hour. And then the Indian Standard Time I have selected. And if I want to add people, then I can add people and send them emails also through this. Then I can add video conferencing. I want a Google Meet link for the same. So I will press upon add video conferencing and this will be added. It will take a minute or two to add. No location is to be added. It wants you to be notified 10 minutes before. I want no notification, so I have crossed it. And you can just add some description to it. You can just add an attachment to it, and you can add a default color also if you want any other color in the main calendar. Suppose I select one of those, and so it will be highlighted by using this calendar there, this color there, and then I can see it there in the events that have been selected. Then I will press upon save, and once I press upon save, this event is there in my calendar, and a meet link will also be generated that I can share it easily with others. And the second option, the second thing, very important thing that I want to tell to you is, whenever you will move upon your Google Meet link at the same time, Google Meet, you will see on the Google Meet directly the link will be written and they will be asking you to join at that particular time. So I've just pressed upon 10th E again. So it is written tomorrow 9 to 10, and they are saying video call will be added soon. So it takes some time to be added, and once it is there we can share it. Then there is a pen option at the top to do some editing, and these three dots are there if you want to delete, duplicate or copy to this event again. So once this event is scheduled, it can be seen here with the purple color. I want to schedule any other event also, then I will select again the plus sign and I will create the event. Suppose the next event to be created is at 10:20 and the event is a class with 9C. So I will again press upon plus, then go to event, and then again I will press upon the date and will follow the same procedure, and will just make all events visible to me on this calendar. And once these are there on the calendar, you can simply press and go for your classes or different events also. So I'll again press upon 10th E, and now it is showing me join with Google Meet, and I can now share it with this sign over there for sharing. And once I share it, it is like when I will share it, it will be like pressing upon this sign, and when I will press upon this sign, there will be share option, and I can share it through any mode I want to. It will suggest me the options that are available to me for sharing, that is through Google Classroom or WhatsApp or any other option that I want to. So I will press upon this WhatsApp, and I can share it with anyone, this link, and then I can take my class or anything by pressing upon the link or directly joining through the Google Calendar. Thank you so much. I hope it will be helpful for you. First of all, it helps to create Google link. This is Google Meet links for all of you. And second is that a very important thing is that in your calendar you are planning and organizing things in a proper manner. Thank you so much.